In this Cineversity one-on-one quick tip, I'm going to show you how to quickly invert your textures. And this is actually super simple. What I have seen other people do is that they'll take a texture and they'll put it into a filter and play with the curve or the settings of the filter shader. And it's just a whole bunch of clicking, basically, just taking up more time. Now here I have this scratches JPEG as a layer mask in this reflectance layer, and the thing I don't like about it is the white is reflecting, so most of the table is too reflective. I just want these darker parts to be more reflective. So I'm going to invert this. So the quickest way to do it, I think, is just to go into the texture settings and set the black point to 1 and the white point to 0, and I'll go ahead and re-render, and that inverts the black and white in this texture. Now there is another way that we can invert textures, and that's by using the layer shader. So let me go back here and I'll reset that black and white point, and with this texture in here, I'm going to go ahead and add a layer shader and go into the layer shader settings, and then I'm going to right click on bitmap and select invert image, and it accomplishes basically the same thing. So there are two ways that you can invert textures loaded into channels. There are a lot of channels that actually provide this functionality natively, like the bump channel. You can set a positive or a negative strength. The alpha channel also has its own invert option. So there are lots of different ways to invert images, but sometimes you don't want to mess with extra layers or shaders. You just want to go right into it and change the black and white point. And if you want to invert your color images and use them as masks, then all we have to do is desaturate them. I'm just going to drop on a filter shader, like I mentioned earlier, set the saturation to -100, and then the black and white points as I mentioned earlier.
If you're interested in personalized training or project assistance, visit Cineversity1on1.com and visit Cineversity.com for more great tutorials and resources.